can stop me. I'm all the way up. All the way up. I'm all the way up.
Boy, do I love cows. Bum, 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 bum. If you make engine noises, your bike goes a lot faster. Be right back. I'm gonna go grab a soda or water or some shit. What's up, guys? Moto Fool back and hydrated. So I hope you guys are enjoying my content, because I mean, kind of why I make it is for you guys. If there's anything different you want to see, just, you know, drop down in the comments section. If you want to see videos of when I do stupid shit like this to my bike, or this, or anything. If you want to see any videos when I customize my bikes, or do any stuff like that. I would love to launch it off that, but that would be so fucking scary. My fucking throttle's stuck. It does that if I pin it when I get air. Ugh.